Let's make some fun, quick, and easy graduation gifts for the class of 2023. First up, we will have this creation. Now, I'm deciding between brown shredding or pink. I think we're going to stick with the pink theme for this particular basket. So let's go ahead and start filling our bottom tray. Now, you want to make sure it is nice and fluffy, and if it's some hanging over the sides, that is perfectly fine. Now, we're going to cut this tag off so we can go ahead and put our rack on top. Let's go ahead and place our rack right on top of the shredding. It fits perfectly into this wooden crate. And again, the shredding hanging over the crate is perfect. It makes it look extra decorative. Now we are going to set this aside so we can start gathering our items to go in the basket. And this is basket 1 of 2. Basket 2 will be done a little differently, so stick around. Best gift to give a graduate is supplies so they can continue their education, right? Okay, let's wrap this up. And this includes pencils as well as gel pens. Beautiful. And of course, we are going to include some goodies. And here is the first treat that we're going to set up in these beautiful little plastic containers. Now, these containers, we're going to add some stickers. Give them a little bit of motivation to continue learning. And here are the stickers. First up, we have "Let your light shine." And the second one says, "Rainbow, be the rainbow that shines through the rain." So now I'm going to grab this beautiful white and glittery tulle ribbon, and we're going to quickly wrap these up. Okay guys, let's start to fill our tray. First up, we have this beautiful stuffed animal, little doggy, and it's not just a stuffed animal. It comes with a pen, so the student can go around and have their classmates sign it. How memorable would that be? Now, we want to make sure we're putting this somewhere where it doesn't block the other items, so I think in the back is best. Now, here I'm adding our pencil and pen creation we done earlier. Of course, we're going to add some other items. Here is a notebook to go with the pens and pencils. Then we have some toys, some other stuff where they can write and learn with stickers. Now here we have some silicone popsicle fillers. How cool. As soon as I figure out the right way to place it. And of course we have a few more snacks because everyone loves snacks. And these are amazing. They're sour. I love them myself. Now here is another item that they can play with. So this educational, tasty, and fun. Now, here is it from back to front. Everything is in one place, but we are going to wrap it up with some pink tulle ribbon. So now that we have the basket wrapped up in the tulle ribbon, we are going to add this beautiful bow. Now, I love this bow because it's very convenient. It is easy. It is creative. And I will drop it in the description so you can find it yourself. So you just pull the 2 ribbons and voila. I love this bow. You do want to tie a knot at the back to keep it in place. And then we're going to put it at the top. Now we do have a sticker to add, but we're going to jump into basket number 2 before we finalize this one. Now the good thing about this tulle ribbon is I did forget an item, which was that jar of candy, so we're going to quickly sneak it in. Now it's all done, apart from the stickers, which I'm going to show you at the end, but let's go ahead and jump over to basket number 2. Here we have a mini easel. This easel is so convenient, it can go directly on the student's desk at home for holding books, homework, or coloring pages, such as this Trolls one. So we're going to incorporate this in the basket somehow. First, we're going to start off by filling this beautiful blue tray with some fantastic items. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Of course, we're quickly adding some shredding to give it some cushion at the bottom. And we're going to go ahead and add all of our items. Again, we have a book for our beautiful pencils and gel pens, a few toys. Here is the yummy jar of candy we created earlier, another little toy in the front. And keep in mind, we will be wrapping this up in a different bag. So this time we're going to use a large cellophane bag and black ribbon. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. Now, as you can see, we managed to get the easel in there, which fits perfectly to the top, and we're adding our black ribbon. Now, we will be gluing or putting a sticker on the back so that the coloring book can attach. Here, I will be putting this beautiful gold and white ribbon to the front as well. Now you want to make sure that the ribbon goes all the way down to the bottom to give it that classy look. So I'm just going to curl the ends really quickly, and I'm also going to cut the black ribbon to make it look a little fancy. Go ahead, grab your heat gun, and let's get the bag nice and tight. This will help the sticker to stay on firmly. And then we're going to turn it around and finish it up. Always heat upwards. This will avoid the bag getting some sudden holes in it. The easel in the back is helping the basket to be very sturdy. So once we finish up making it all tight, we're going to add congrats to the front of this basket and grad to the first basket that we created. So let's go ahead and get it done. Okay guys, we have one final last item to add to the second basket. It is cute, it is tiny, and it fits perfectly. Here it is. So we're just going to go directly on top of the easel. How fun is that? Congratulations to the class of 2023, and thanks so much for watching.